In today's video, we'll see some of the plants that love staying in water. If you want to propagate plants, you can use the water propagation method for plants, and easily you can do it. But do you know that there are some plants which you will not have to transfer to soil but keep in water for a long time? So these plants love being in water for long periods of time without giving us any trouble or hassle. So let's do some indoor gardening with some of the plants that love staying in water. To give you a general tip, when you're putting plants in water, see that if it belongs to the family of Dracaena, the stem should be mature enough, stem should be strong enough. And also, if you are planting some plants in water, see that the aerial roots are there. Plants like money pothos, onium, and different kinds of money pothos varieties, and also philodendron plants are easily staying in water with the aerial root. With the help of aerial root, they can stay in water for a long time. Now these plants love staying in water. Let's see the number of plants that you can easily keep in water and without any trouble. First plant that loves to stay in water I show you is this beautiful bamboo plant. These are lucky bamboo plant. You'll have to get a stem where it is mature enough to stay in water. So just select any type of glass container, fill it with water, and you will have to leave this cutting in water. That's it. And always remember to refresh the water once a week. Check the water whether it's fresh and leave it aside, so that you will see that these beautiful bamboo plants will stay there forever. Or else you can transfer them to soil, but these plants you can keep as decorative house plants. You just need a glass of water. It should be visible once you put it in a glass container whether they are rooting or the plant's condition. So always try to put it in a glass container that you will see the plant's condition very easily. So this is how you put lucky bamboo plant in water, and this is one of the plants that would love to stay in water and will grow in water very well. Next plant that will love to stay in water are these beautiful pothos plants. Select a healthy stem with arrow roots in that, and you can just simply insert in water. Take a glass of water and put it in water, and they will stay there forever. This is one of the permanent and low maintenance plant, and also one of the beautiful house plants. So these are easy to grow, easy to maintain, and also one of the permanent plants that would love to stay in water. So select pothos plants variety and have them as house plants, indoor plants, as outdoor plants too. So this is another plant that love to stay in water. So these are pothos plants. Syngonium plants. Syngonium variety is also very easy to grow. You will only have to take a cutting with the aerial root. Just dip it in water and keep it as a decorative plant, indoor plant. Keep it in your tabletop. These plants will stay in water forever. These plants, even if you give less care, less maintenance, they will sure to grow. So keep this beautiful indoor plant also in water. And also this is a low maintenance and a permanent house plant. Beautiful, colorful wandering Jew. These plants are decorative house plants. You can simply keep them in water too. These plants will grow in water as well. These are low maintenance and permanent plants. Put them in water, keep them in fresh water for a couple of days, and you will see they will start to root. And also you can keep it in permanently as well. This is a wonderful low maintenance plant, and also one of the beginner gardeners plant. You can see how beautiful and colorful they are. Their leaves are very decorative. Varieties of philodendron also will stay in water forever. They are also low maintenance and permanent, beautiful and colorful leafy plants. Philodendron also low maintenance plant and also permanent plant. Keep it in water as well. Keep it as a decorative plant. Decorate your tabletops or else your living room with the beautiful philodendron plant very easily. So these are the plants that you can easily grow in water.